Today I'm going to be teaching you how to multiply 3-digit numbers by 1-digit numbers using standard algorithm. I think this way is just easier, because I did it for this question, and I think it's a much easier way. So first, for standard algorithm, you have to do 8 times 3, which is what? 24. So you put the 4 there and the 2 up there. Then you do 3 times 1, which is 3, plus 2, which is 5. Then you do 3 times 1, which is 3, which equals 354. But another way to do it is how they have shown it up here. They've shown it by using arrays, and they actually have 115 right there. I mean 118. My mistake. But they actually have 118 right there, and they have it 3 times. So there's a couple of ways to do it, and a lot of people miss this. So I thought I should have chose this. So that's it. Yeah. So the correct answer is 354. D. It is D. 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 Yeah. Alright, that's all for today. Bye-bye.